Hi everyone, my name is Miss Jena and I am the dietitian for the Shoprite of West Chester. Today, for the West Chester Public Library's Tinker Day, Imagine Your Story, we are going to make 2 snacks from one of my favorite fairy tales, Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. The first snack we are going to make is one of the 3 bears. For the bears, you are going to need either an English muffin, a rice cake, or even just a piece of toast, some sunflower seed butter, peanut butter, or whatever spread you like to use, 3 slices of a banana, and 3 blueberries. For the Goldilocks snack, you will also need a similar rice cake, piece of toast, or an English muffin, some pre-shredded carrots, or you can shred your own carrots at home for her hair, a sliced bell pepper for her smile, sliced grapes or olives for her eyes, and then some sort of spread like cream cheese, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or hummus. Before we begin, I want to go over some safety tips. First, make sure you have an adult present before you make your snack. They can help you toast your sandwich bread or English muffin, help you slice your fruits and vegetables for your snack, and they can help you wash your hands before you begin. First, for our 3 bears snack, gather your ingredients. Then, spread your sunflower seed butter on your toast, English muffin, or rice cake. Next, carefully cut 3 slices of your banana and place 2 of the pieces near the top of the toast for the ears and 1 in the middle for the nose. Then, place 2 of the blueberries above the nose for the eyes. Slice the bottom off the last blueberry. If you spread a little of the sunflower seed butter on the back, it'll help it stick to the nose. There you go, one of our 3 bears. Now for our Goldilocks snack, gather your ingredients. Then spread your cream cheese, yogurt, or cottage cheese. Then carefully slice your pepper into a half circle or whichever shape you'd like for her mouth. Save the rest of the pepper to snack on later. Then slice the grape into small slivers for her eyes. Finally, place the shredded carrots around the top for her hair. Mine sort of looks like a clown, but that's okay. All that matters is that it's delicious. And it wouldn't be a presentation from a Shoprite dietitian if we didn't talk about nutrition. So the snacks you made today cover all of the different food groups on our My Plate. First, we have grains. Which food group do you think those are? Our English muffin or our toast. Our protein, so we have our nut butter, sunflower seed butter, or instead, if you don't do cream cheese and you do Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, that'll have a little bit of protein. Our vegetables, we have our carrots for Goldilocks' hair, and for her smile, we have bell peppers. Fruits, we have our bananas and our blueberries. And finally, dairy. If you choose to do cream cheese, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese, you'll have a little bit of dairy in your serving as well. Finally, I want to talk about the food that Goldilocks eats in the story. One that she tries that's too hot, one that's too cold, and one that's just right. A food called porridge. Porridge is a traditional breakfast dish made from a grain and cooked on the stove with either water or milk. You might think of porridge more commonly as oatmeal, but porridge can be made from other grains like rice, corn, buckwheat, and so much more. How do you top your oatmeal? Some ways you can top your oatmeal or porridge include adding fruits like the fruits we use today, like bananas and blueberries. You can put honey or spices like cinnamon. Below, I'll include a recipe for oatmeal or porridge. Thank you so much for making the snack with me today. Hopefully I'll be able to see you soon at the Shoprite of West Chester or at the West Chester Public Library. For more information about the kids events we host here at Shoprite, either in person or virtually, go to shoprite.com or follow us on Facebook at Shoprite of West Chester. Thank you.